So I've been watching a lot of one-pot recipes on TikTok lately, especially like easy pastas, jambalayas, and especially chicken and rice. So I found a one-pot recipe on TikTok for chicken and rice that I want to try out with you guys. It's very simple and it looks very good. And since I'm home alone, it's easy for me to make. One pot, super simple, like 20 minutes. It calls for chicken drumsticks and rice, but I'm gonna be using chicken thighs because I like chicken thighs and that's what we have here. So come along with me, chicken and rice, one pot recipe, a couple ingredients. I think it's gonna be really good. A lot of garlic, stuff like that. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? And here we go. Okay, so I started cutting everything here on my ingrain cutting board off camera. Like I said earlier, we're going to be using chicken thighs. That's 1 potato. I peeled it, I chopped it, just a rough chop. That's 1.5 cups of white rice. Obviously, we need some olive oil. We're going to be using a tablespoon of kosher salt. We're going to be using a teaspoon of pepper and a half teaspoon of cumin. We're obviously going to be using some chicken stock and water. I chopped up, rough chop, a jalapeno, some of these little cherry tomatoes. I just chopped them in half. We're going to throw some cilantro on there. That's going to kind of like wilt in and give it some flavor. A little bit of garlic. And that's basically it. You can add carrots if you want, but I don't have any carrots. But those are the ingredients for this one pot meal. Okay, let's get our stove turned on. And let's get some olive oil in our pot because we're going to sear this chicken. Whether you're using drumsticks, thighs, breast, we need to get this oil hot, sear some chicken. So while our oil is heating up, I'm going to be using my little Ninja Foodie chopper. Now that's the tablespoon of salt, the teaspoon of pepper, the half a teaspoon of cumin, and a buttload of garlic. And let's blend all that up real quick. So let's get these seared off and these chicken thighs browned. Lay away from you. Lay away from you. And now we're not cooking them all the way through. We're just getting some color on them because they're going to finish in the one pot. Let's just give these a little flip. This is a fun little toy that we got on Amazon just to prevent some of the grease splashing up. Let's take that off. I think these got enough color on them. And I'm just going to pull these off for a second. And now we got that chicken fat and we got that hot oil in there. And I'll show you guys the next step. Now we're coming in with that 1.5 cups of rice. And we're going to kind of just fry it a little bit to build up just the layers of flavor. That chicken fat, and again, you can use drumsticks. I'm using thighs, like I said, but I just want to fry this rice a little bit in this oil and in this chicken fat and get it a little bit browned. Now, while that rice is finishing frying, I'm just going to drop in some of my cherry tomatoes that I chopped in half. Now, do you guys remember my little Ninja with all my little spice blend? I added a little bit of water, and now I'm bringing that, incorporating that. Ooh, that smells amazing. Let's drop our chicken back in. Give that a little mix. Wow, that smells so good. All of my potatoes. A couple more potatoes. Jalapenos. I'm going in with 1.5 cups of chicken stock. And 1.5 cups of water. Now let's see where we're at here. Oh wow, it smells so good. I'm going to crank my burner up onto full blast because I want to bring this to a boil, and then I'm going to cover it and let it simmer for like 20-25 minutes, something like that. Wow, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it smells so good. So let's bring this to a boil for a minute. All right, I can't find the damn lid for this pot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my heat down to a simmer, and I'm going to go old school and just cover it like this. There we go. Okay, so while that's simmering for about 20 minutes with the foil on top, you know, maybe I should have used chicken drumsticks. I could have browned them a little bit better and you could have bit into that crispy skin when it's all done. I don't know if these chicken thighs are gonna be more boiled when they're all done. I don't know, I'm still playing around with it. It smells really good. Chicken rice is kind of hard to mess up, so I think it's gonna be good. So that'll simmer for 20 minutes, but while that's doing it, I just wanted to say thank you to all of our channel members that have taken the time to hit the little join button next to the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for supporting our YouTube hobby, especially now. We appreciate every single one of you that hit the thumbs up, that leave us a comment, thumbs down, any engagement with us. Follow us on Instagram. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We appreciate you guys. All right, I'm gonna clean up the kitchen. That'll be done in 20 minutes. I'll plate up, we'll do a taste test, and we'll see if this TikTok chicken and rice is really that epic. Smells good. All right, we'll be right back. Oh, and totally forgot, remember I was gonna put this bunch of cilantro on top and let it wilt in? I kind of had a change of mind about that because this is fresh cilantro. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rough chop it on my in-grain cutting board. And when this is all said and done and I plate my bowl, I'm just gonna sprinkle the cilantro on the top because I love cilantro and I think that it's gonna be a more powerful flavor that way. So the cilantro is still going in, it's just not going in at this step. All right, I'll be back. All right, this is what it looks like after exactly 20 minutes. I took the foil off. Just letting a little bit more evaporation go, and then we're gonna plate up. I do think that that cilantro is gonna give it the little pop of freshness that's just gonna be so good. But you can see, it kind of looks like boiled chicken, but it smells good. The cilantro is gonna be good. I can't wait to give it a taste. So as far as one pot meals goes, I mean, it doesn't really get any easier than that. That's good times right there. The chicken is just shreddable with a spoon. I'm gonna burn my face off right now, but I do wanna get a little cilantro. I wanna get a cherry tomato. The jalapenos have really melted down into nothing. The chicken, like I said, is super shreddable. It smells amazing. You can smell that garlic and that cumin. I mean, I don't even think I can eat that bite because I'm going to burn my face off. But I wanna see if TikTok has let me down. TikTok did not let me down. That's actually really good. If you like garlic, cumin, cilantro, and like a chicken and rice, just if you can kind of process that, it's really good. The potatoes are super soft. It's really hearty, good, but like not like a normal bland flavor. It kind of has like a different bold flavor from the cumin. I'm shredding the chicken literally with my spoon. It's just so good. Like just amazing. For being at home alone, one pot, a couple ingredients, give it a try. TikTok did not fail me. That's a good little recipe, TikTok. All right, thank you for watching. Appreciate you all. Make this, leave a comment, and we will see you on the next one when Babe is back. All right, bye.